There's a quiet book I carry when I travel light. It has no charts, no formulas, just 4 promises. 4 simple agreements that could unchain you from the noise you didn't even know you were carrying. Don Miguel Ruiz calls it the dream. This world we live in, where who we are is not always who we were meant to be. Because we've been trained, tamed, domesticated, he says, taught to please others, to fear rejection, to betray ourselves quietly. Below are the agreements which can make us the best version of ourselves. Agreement 1. Be impeccable with your word. You see, words are spells. Every word you speak is either building someone or burning them quietly. When you speak with truth, with intention, you become impeccable, clean, without sin against yourself or others. So speak like your words are arrows and your aim is peace. Agreement 2. Don't take anything personally. Just keep in mind, what they say is not about you. Their praise, their hate, their silence, that's their dream. If someone hands you a burning coal, you don't have to carry it. So don't. Agreement 3. Don't make assumptions. Focus on this. We assume too much, that they understand us, that they meant what we think, that we're not good enough. But assumptions are shadows. And questions, they are light. So don't assume. Always ask questions to clarify. Agreement 4. Always do your best. Not perfect, not more, not less, just your best. Some days, your best will look like sunrise. Other days, it'll be surviving the storm. But if you gave it all you had, you rest easy. Now he talks about parasites that feed upon us. Not the real ones, but the one that thrive over our mindset. The inner parasites, the judge, the victim, the beliefs. Listen, you always keep this in the back of your head. Inside us live 3 thieves: the judge who condemns, the victim who breaks, and the beliefs that chain us. These are not you. They're squatters in your mind. So start trying not be the host of these. Stop feeding them. Finally, we come to the end and the crucial part, the practice. You will forget the agreements, you'll break them, that's alright. Begin again. Break old ones bit by bit, replace them with these 4. Before we wrap, 2 more cents on how we should incorporate the agreements. Number 1. Be a warrior of spirit. The warrior is not the loudest. He is the one who wakes up each morning and tries again, with awareness, with intent, with love. Number 2. Live like time is precious. Live like you have just 1 week left. Because then you stop pretending and you start living. To sum it up, you don't have to change the world. Just stop letting it change you. If this stirred something in you, like, share, or just drop a comment below to say you're starting again. And if you'd like to walk this path with me, subscribe to Thrive Vibe Life, because the journey's just getting started.